Hi guys, welcome to my room. It's a little old and not my aesthetic, so I decided to change it a little. I spend most of my day over here, so let's get started. Starting with an Amazon haul, I'll be mentioning everything in the description below. These ruffled curtains, which I will soon tell you about. This fake leaf kind of thing, which is super nice and all over Pinterest. And this super nice ukulele holder. This is the holder. Ta-da! Yeah, I have a lot of them. 2 rows of this are gonna go on this wall right here, like 2 of them. Before putting the pictures, I'm gonna tell you which tape I'm using. I'm using this Scotch double side tape. The shopkeeper told me it would not leave stains on the wall. Last picture of the wall looks much bigger and wider for some reason. I added 1 row down also, and all of this is left for my future photos. Currently the camera is with Siddharth, so I don't know when is it coming back. I need it. Time for some LED lights. I bought them from the general electrical store, but I recommend you guys to buy it from Amazon. It's much cheaper over there. There are many different types of sizes also available in this. Mine is a 5-meter long LED light which only covers one wall of my room, and I should have thought about it if I had guidance, so I'm telling you right now itself. I bought this positive poster from Archie's back in 2017. It has a lot of positive words written on it, and I decided to stick it on the ceiling of my room. As you know, when you sleep, you can just look at it and you can read. It's something innovative, and I have never seen anybody doing this. And the best part is gravity is not working on it, so it's not falling also. The things that I'm gonna put on the wall, I'm gonna show it to you guys. These are 2 record players. For sure, I'm gonna put these. These are 2 big ones. These are actually the non-working ones. My dad is a big fan of collecting antiques, so we have a lot of records and 2-3 record players at home. You just saw the corner. It looks super nice. It gives such good vibes. I don't know why. The next thing is gonna be these 4 frames. If you guys noticed, mostly all the stuff that I'm putting on the wall is black. So make sure if you're doing something, there's a particular tone in everything, whatever you put. But what I did was I got these little frames and everything only in, I guess, 500 rupees with the picture printed inside. And what I did was I removed the whole picture and I gave it my own customization, like, you know, coloring the sky and the road, and, you know, I did it to a lot of others as well, like this Prada thing as well. Only 2 I did, baki 2 I just got them printed normally. And you know, this gives like a little pop of yourself also in the wall. I'm also thinking of ordering this. I found it on Instagram, and I really feel that it will give like a very nice vintage vibe. The last thing that I'm gonna put is, so what I did was I got 3 colors. These are the actual back in the 70s colors. It's a orange, it's a light yellow, and a brown. So what I did was I cut strips, like actually like similar size strips, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick it throughout the whole sideway. This will look like I have painted the wall, but it's not actually painted. You can anyway remove it, and I'm gonna secure it with a double tape. This DIY didn't really work for me, but I'm just keeping it for you guys so that you guys can try it at home. I ended up just snapping off a lot of parts and just keeping a little bit just for the color. So I have these 2 photo papers. They are these glossy print papers. I'm gonna quickly do one of this black design and one in pink or yellow, I'm not very sure, and I'm gonna just paint them. Made this moon tapestry, got the inspiration from Pinterest. It's pretty self-explanatory about how to make it. Painted this circular cardboard into my star sign. Also tried coloring my tube light, which was pretty useless. Do not do that. I also bought these black and white butterflies from the nearest stationery store. They look super cute and they also filled up a lot of space on the wall. So even you guys can print them out because you get a lot of different types of butterflies on Pinterest as well. I really wanted space fillers because the left hand side of the room was looking very empty. So I had this blackboard thing that was also bought by me ages ago. This sign that I bought from flea market, and this photo frame that I am going to paint black. To top it all off, I just bought these really nice vintage stickers. They are these stamps and coins and other things like that from a stationery shop. Now this stationery shop is called The Lucky Store, which is my favorite shop in the entire world, and I will link their phone number in the description. In the end, I was just adding a lot of random stuff to just make the wall look nice and colorful.